Okay, so here are the cushions, everything under the storage of the chase. They are. This one. Okay. Then let's connect. See the clips in here. Middle sections is this way facing down. This way, the clips facing up. Yep, have a look. Here facing up, it's facing down. Join together. Okay. Okay. See? Yep, it's in. And then the arms. Here, see that? It's one way facing down. This way, face up. Just find the position. Yep, in. The other one. Here, this way facing down. This way facing up. Okay, so we need to lift the clips facing down first. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's 15. So that's the backrests. So here, see the brackets like this. Just slide it in. And then knock a little bit, and then the small one, slide it in, knock a little bit. These are the cushions. Okay, and for this, it has handles. So this is how it's in, this is how it's out. Lift it up.